Alright. Today I'm going to show you a very quick way to install these mud flaps here on a very salty and dirty R53 Mini Cooper S. So I didn't see any videos about this, so I figured I'd do this real quick just for anybody else who wants to put them on real quick. So first thing you got to do, take off the wheel. So you want to jack it up. Make sure you got a jack stand under there. If you don't have an impact, make sure you loosen up the lug bolts before you jack it up. Just loosen them up real quick. Not to take them out. Please, for the love of God, do not take them out before you have this thing up in the air. So loosen them up, jack up the car, put a jack stand under there, and then there's I'll show you where the screw is at. You can see there, maybe. Where'd she go? Come on, there we are. So originally there's a screw here, or a little body, not a body bolt, but a little body clip. Looks like that. See, there was one I just took out over here to show you. Anyway, so you got a little body clip there that you want to take out. Pop out that clip. Now when you use that clip, I'm going to show you how it is. Now when you take out the clip, it's just going to have a standard Phillips head on there, but you don't want to put too much pressure on it. So it's gonna it's gonna come out like it normally would, But if you put too much pressure on it, back in it goes. So you gotta be, just moderate pressure on it to take that part out. Most likely it'll come apart. So the screw part inside of it will probably come out, and then you'll be able to just take like a little flathead screwdriver and pop this outer part out. Once that's out, you want to line up your mud flap down here with the hole up there. Put that body clip back on in there, and that'll hold the mud flap in there, so you can just let that hang there off of that, which will then line up your holes on the other ones here. So you're gonna have to do a little drilling. That's why you have to take off your wheel. So you have to drill a hole right here for this guy, and a hole right here for this guy. The hole for the top one is just a little itty bitty bit. You don't need anything massive. This was a 5/64, and just drill in there until you get through this plastic. Don't keep going by any means, because you might, get into the body there, and you don't want that. So just go till you get through this little layer of plastic here. Should just go right through. And you just want that basically for a little hole, and then you're just gonna screw this screw right on into that hole you just drilled. Then down here, you'll use a 7/32 bit is what I use. It's significantly bigger. Just drill right through there. There's a lot of room to work with behind here, because it's just a big piece of plastic that's just a fender liner. So don't worry if you go through it a little bit. Go on through that, and then you're gonna put one of these guys in there. That you basically just put in the hole. You push the little button or the little rod down there. I can't do it right now one-handed, but this little rod, there it goes, will go in here, and it'll expand this out, and then that'll hold it securely in there. That's all there is to installing that. Just repeat on the other side. Put your wheel back. Make sure you torque down your bolts. So you put your wheel back on, tighten your bolts up until you're probably going to spin the wheel unless you have an impact. Take out your jack stand, jack her on down, and you make sure you torque those bolts to what the spec should be. I can't remember what it is offhand, probably like 100 foot-pounds or something. And that's it. Repeat on the other side. It's as easy as that. Enjoy.